What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Before we get the cold start on the GTR with the new exhaust, this will be the first cold start with the new exhaust. It's my second day with it. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys what I got in the mail yesterday. I've been waiting for this thing for like 3 years. 3 years it took me to get this thing, but I finally got it in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited to open up and show you guys. Again, I was so impatient. I had to take a peek yesterday and I looked, but I want to show it to you guys, and this thing is crazy. And I'm sorry the M3 is turning into a a storage unit. I saw a lot of comments and you guys got mad that I had boxes on the M3. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of it soon. I think I'm gonna rewrap the E92. The only reason I have boxes on here is because the E92 wrap is already scratched up. But anyways, look what came in the mail. Sorry about this. I tried taking off my address, but let me know down below if you guys know what this is already by just showing you guys the box. Bro, 3 years I've been trying to get this thing. 3 years. So if you guys do not know already, I hit 100,000 subscribers probably about a couple weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago maybe. And at 100,000 subscribers, you receive a silver play button, and that is what this is. Boom. Guys, I used to watch a bunch of YouTube videos of unboxing these and always wish I got one, and finally, this is mine. But first off, there's a letter right here from YouTube. I'll read it in a little bit, but here is the play button. Oh my god, dude. Guys, this is freaking insane. I'm scared to even touch it. I don't want to mess it up. Presented to FindingNick for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Look it, there I am with the vlog camera, bro. This is crazy, dude. 3 years, and you guys know what's crazy? Is I use this camera right here. This little camera, for 3 years, I filmed every single vlog with this camera, which is pretty crazy. I don't want to get no fingerprints on it. Holy shit, dude. Look at this. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that. I got it in the mail yesterday, and I had to show you guys, and I had to come on here and say thank you, because without you guys, I wouldn't have had this, and I wouldn't have had 100,000 subscribers. So shout out to every 100,000 of you that have subscribed to the channel. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the support. Like I said, this channel is so dope. You guys are so dope. We literally rarely have any hate on the YouTube channel. It's always love. You guys are always supporting me. It's freaking awesome. So thank you. Thank you, thank you. And I don't know, what do you guys think I should do with this? Should I hang it on the wall? Should we keep it in the GTR? I don't know, what do we do with this? I literally never thought I would have one of these. And the shit did not happen overnight, obviously. It took me 3 years. I mean, like, I really started trying like 2 years ago, but I started a YouTube channel probably like 3 years ago. Made a bunch of random vlogs, and I guess you guys really enjoyed them. Oh, and maybe I'll read this for those of you that wanted to know what this says. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish, and you had astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I hope I'm funny. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You did this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations to my homegirl. From my homegirl Susan, the CEO of YouTube. My boss, bro. That's freaking awesome. And like it says, 1 million subscribers isn't too far away. And that's so true, because honestly, 100,000 subscribers felt impossible at one point. And right now, 1 million subscribers feels impossible, but you never know, you know? Thank you guys again. I appreciate it. And if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, do it. A lot of people ask me questions. I get messages all the time on Instagram. How do I start a YouTube channel? And how do you like grow a page? Just do it, bro. Like, honestly, I just did it randomly. I just started picking up a camera. My best advice is just pick up the camera, go hang out with friends, and just vlog everything. I know it's kind of hard at times. Even for me, guys, I have 100,000 subscribers. I've been doing this for a couple years, and I'm still shy. At car meets, I'm scared to pick up the camera and vlog. I don't know if you guys could notice on camera, but I'm actually really shy in front of the camera still. Really shy vlogging in front of people, but just do it. Don't worry about what people think. Don't read the hate comments, and just make some vlogs. And like I said, it doesn't happen overnight. This shit took 3 years, bro. Yeah, I'm freaking excited. Thank you guys. All right, let's get this little cold start going. What is that? The downpipe? Damn. Now we're about to head to a little car meet that's very local again. Again with the homie Gustavo and the Supra. Bro, that's just loud. Guys, it's so hard not to push this car. I'm not supposed to be pushing it, but it's impossible to drive this car normal. And it sounds so good. Woo. Damn, is that an M3?
Let me find out. FindingNick is at the party.
What's up, dude?
Is that any player?
I feel like I haven't seen the E92 in so long. Maybe Gustavo parked in the clean air vehicle parking spots. Hopefully no cops give us any problems. Dude, there's hella people here again. Like over there it's packed, and then over here is a whole nother separate meet. Woo! That's a Shelby, bro. Right? Just Shelby? GT350? I don't know my Mustangs. Guys, check this out. FindingNick, bro. My old car. That's funny, dude. Looks just like my car. Look, I think another M3 4-door. Beamer boys. There's a bunch of BMWs here. Usually there's never BMWs. Guys, I don't know what to film at car meets anymore. I feel like they're really repetitive. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep filming car meets or nah? This 240 is badass. I've always wanted one. Maybe one day. Guys, look at 1, 2, 3. 3 M3s, bro. I know I have seen this guy before. Wow. That's what I'm trying to go for next. Makes me miss mine. This one's like a frozen white. Damn, 3 boys. That one's super clean.
Right and left?
This one's clean, dude. Very clean and simple. Ooh, all over Gustavo.
I just got my car, bro. Wait on it.
Bro, that black's fire, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, black looks clean, dude. Damn.
Does that shit stop?
I don't know, it sounds deeper.
It sounds a little louder, huh?
That would sound louder. Wow, sound like a GTR.
Nah, you can get the stereo on that one. You can hear it on here.
Got the Lambo doors. Damn.
You can hear hell of it.
I saw you the other day, huh?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Evos are hard, bro. TE37s too. Gold. I need some. Dang. Damn, it looks sick. I want one of these, bro. Imagine. Right hand drive.
You gotta have money.
Gustavo! He got pulled over.
Come on, it's a big shit.
Damn, he's done, guys. All bad. Oh, he's gonna make it? No. Oh, he got bags. He's cheating.
He's cheating.
Alright, guys, we just made it to Mexico. The GTR. There's hella cars.
shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real.